Hey guys, welcome to the Tech Granth. So today we will solve another linked list problem, and this problem is to find the middle of the linked list. And yeah, it falls under easy category, but we will see here how we will find the middle of the linked list without getting the length of the linked list or using extra space or anything like that. So here it says that given a non-empty single linked list with head node, return middle of the linked list, and if there are two middle node, in that case we need to return the second middle node. So if you see the example of this, so here we have just one middle node which is 3, so we return 3 or everything after 3 basically, and in this case we have two middle node 3 and 4, so we will return everything from 4. So that is how the output is expected for these guys. um, and again in this problem as well, I will use the same two pointer concept of the linked list. Please make it the left hand thumb rule that for linked list always start thinking on the basis of two pointers whenever you face a new problem, and it really solves and it really makes it easy. So let me explain it in a little how this will work. It is similar to a problem we discussed earlier where we had to find a cycle in the linked list. So if this is the list that has been given to me, now if I have two pointer here, I have a slow pointer and a fast pointer. So if I move the fast pointer two steps at a time, so after first iteration my slow pointer will be at 2 and my fast pointer will move two steps ahead and it will be at 3. Now next time when I iterate through the linked list, my fast pointer will again move two steps and it will reach 5, and my slow pointer will move one step and it will reach 3. Now after 5 the next element is null, so we will come out of the loop and you see voila, s is at, or the slow pointer is at the middle of the linked list. Now if we have 6, so in that particular case I need to move like one step ahead because they want the second node to be returned. So how do we solve this problem, or how do we code for this? We'll say we have a slow pointer which points to head, we have a fast pointer which also points to head, and we will go on till either the fast dot next is not equal to null and fast dot next is not equal to null. So we will loop through this condition and we'll say slow equal to slow dot next and fast equal to fast dot next. So this is what we will say, and once I come out of the loop it means that the slow pointer has reached the middle node. Now in case of even number of node we have two middle nodes, so I need to move one step ahead. So for that if you see this particular case, fast dot next is null, but fast dot next is not null. It means that it is a even list. So we can put a condition here that if fast dot next is not equal to null, then in that case we need to move the slow pointer one more step because we want the second node of, here it says that return the second middle node. So slow dot next, and that's it. We will just return the slow pointer which will be the middle pointer. So seems okay, and that's it. So that is how you will solve a problem like these. I hope the explanation was pretty clear. So if you have any doubt, do put it in the comment. I will try to explain it. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.